Hello listener, welcome to SolidWorks Master Game CNC Learner. Today how to make glass ball by SolidWorks. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, New, Part. Okay. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the circle to origin, then give the dimension circle 300 as well as okay. Now go to make circle construction base. Okay. Now go to 3-point arc, click here, select. Now give the dimension R 30 as well as select. Now give the dimension this point and this point 52.36. Okay. Now this point control origin point vertical. Okay. Now they are fully defined. Now go to circular pattern and click the arc, and we need 18. Okay. Now there are under defined, we need defined, so we move the arc. You can this point control this point merge. Okay, now they are fully defined automatically. Go to exit tools. Now go to top plane and refine geometric plane. Now we can after 100 as well as we use flip. Okay. Now this plane is sketch. Now draw the circle. Circle 75 as well as okay. Now go to exit and go to located, delete. Now we can select this and select this. Now we can use, now there are use not to profile. Okay, we can use degree, not need. Okay, now we can this plane height, we can use shell, this face, we can use 1 as well as okay. Now we can fillet, we can use fillet 1 as well as fillet. Okay, we fillet 1. Now go to shaded as well as okay. We can use materials. Now we can use materials here, edit materials. Now we can use other non-metal. Glass, you can use glass. Okay, we use glass. Now we can use color, art. can any color use. Now you can modify color as well as okay, you can modify okay. Now make our job. Now you can check total mass, evaluate, check mass properties. Now there are what 314.84 gram. Okay, now go to estimating view. Thank you all, everybody, share and like. If have any question, you can write comment box. Now you can easily make glass ball as well as